Hello, good evening. Audible ആണോ? ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാവോ ലൈവ് ചാറ്റിൽ? Good evening all. Am I audible? Can anyone type in the live chat so I'll get it. Yes, Mithun Sadishan. Yes, audible. Okay. Yes. Tamiz. Yes. Anil Kumar, good evening. Okay, എല്ലാവരും ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റായി. Sorry for the late. Actually, we are planned the live weekly forecast on 9 p.m. So കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ടായി ഷെഡ്യൂൾ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത്തിരി വൈകി പോയത്. നോ ഇഷ്യൂ, വി ക്യാൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ബൈ 11:45. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാവരുടെയും നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് ഗോൾഡ്, വാട്ട് ഇസ് എ പ്രഡിക്ഷൻ ഫോർ ദ ഗോൾഡ്? ഡൗൺ ഓർ അപ്പ്? വാട്ട് യു ആർ എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ്? ഇസ് ഓഡിബിൾ? ഓക്കെ, ഗുഡ് ഈവനിങ് തമീസ്. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് പറയാമോ നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രഡിക്ഷൻ എന്താണ്? അപ്പ്. ഓക്കെ, ഗോൾഡ് ബൈ ആവുമെന്ന് പറയുന്നവരുണ്ട് ചിലർ. സെല്ലിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? എനി വൺ ഫോർ സെൽ? ഓക്കെ, സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഡൗൺ വരുന്നുണ്ട്, അപ്പ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. യെസ്, ഡൗൺ അപ്പ് 50-50% ആണല്ലോ. സെൽ ഫാസിൽ എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ് ടു 3260. ഓക്കെ, സെൽ വ്യൂ ടാർഗറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, 3260 ടാർഗറ്റ് എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു ഫാസിൽ ഫാസ്, റൈറ്റ്? ഓക്കെ, എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു മെജോറിറ്റി students expecting into sell, right, into below 3300. I think the price is now almost 3332 something. Yes, yeah. So let me comes to the chart. So actually the price now in trading in 3336. So we already predicted this moment in the last weekly forecast, right? If you check the our last weekly forecast, the expected movement was after taking the previous low, then our prediction was market will go up, and that was, if I comes to daily time frame, we can see this 1 2 3 4 5, the last Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday candles, right? So in the last week we already told this analysis, market will take the previous week low and market will hunt to previous day high, right? So market is already covered the Friday opening price also market took, and now this is the last week Tuesday candle, right? So here we can see this is a huge sell happened in this price, so that will be a supply zone, right? So and also in Monday we can see market started fall from the, this is a Monday high, right, on the 23rd June, and this area is a supply area actually in daily time frame. Okay, but market, we can't say market didn't reach that position. Once market reach there, we can expect a fall in daily time frame, but it will take time. Maybe that will be in the next week movement. Okay, so if I comes to 4-hour time frame, we can see that there is a clean movement we can see in the market, right? So if I plot fib retracement, market didn't reach the 0.5. So 0.5 is a liquidity range, right? 0.5 and 6 is a liquidity range. These are the discount zone for now. Okay, so what is the moment we can expect? So in the coming week, what I am expecting is market will fall and will take the discount, and once again market will create a high, then that will be this discount supply area, then again market will start fall. Okay, so this is the starting of a month, right? This is a July month. Okay, so first 10 days we can always see market will be consolidation, right? So this is the starting of a new quarter also, right? So January, February, March was the first quarter, and April, May, June was the second quarter, and this is the starting of a new quarter, starting of a new month, right? Starting, and also is the starting of a new quarter also. This is third quarter going on, right? Now it is July also. Okay, and if you, our target is when market reaches this area, this will act as a supply zone. And also if I am coming to weekly time frame, we can see this is the last weekly candle, right? And if tomorrow market will open in this area, that is Monday 7th July, once market took the previous week high, then we can expect one more fall. Okay, because this is a bearish sentiments pattern, right? See, this was the huge buying zone happened here in the last 9th June, then market Friday closed in this position, but the very next week market closed previous week 50% below, right? Again market fall, next week continue the trend. Then what happened, market took the 9th July low, market weekly candle closed 9th July low, right? That was the weekly candle low, right? Then again market took the previous weekly lows and again hunting into the 50% of the two weekly candles, right? So this is the almost 0.618 and 0.5 area. If you plot the fib level, this is a 0.5 area, a 0.618 level, right? Now when first time market moved into the 0.5, there was a rejection. Again in the coming week we can expect into this supply zone, then after that we can expect a fall from that level. Okay, so I'm coming to 4-hour time frame once again. Please just a second. Okay, so what we are expecting, we can see there is a Elliott clean movement we can see, and there is an Elliott movement also. If I plot the Elliott wave, then this will be the 0, 1, 2, and the previous movement already done. 5 wave is already done. If I check the momentum divergence with the RSI, this was the third wave. Market created a high volume and lower high volume, and the price previous high also taken. So where the fifth wave is end, right? Now again this will be act as a correction. So what we are seeing now, next we are expecting, if we consider this as a fourth wave. Okay, for example, if I plotting fib extension with 0, 1, 2, here we can see market already took 1.618, right? Again correction happened, again market create one more high, right? But market is struggling to go above 3357 level, right? So once again I am coming to 1 hour time frame, right? Okay, so here we can see the previous reversal happened from this zone, that was the previous latest impulse movement, right? Below, after reaching the 0.5, market again started the wave 3 correction, right? So this we can take, this moment we can take as a diagonal movement. So if I comes to 30-minute time frame, what I am expecting is this is a wave, so 0 A, so this will be a 0 A B C movement we can expect. This movement we can expect as per Elliott, and within that wave A we can expect a diagonal movement also. See, this was the previous wave and the second wave was largest wave. Again this movement also, after reaching this level, once again we can expect a third ABC wave, right? 3 wave from here, and again after reaching that level, once again we can expect a 5 wave from that range. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the analysis for the coming week for the gold. So if you know XAUUSD or whatever it is, you will get a XAUUSD reversal point from this zone. That will be 886 or 786 level. So that will be a good selling point. But for that selling, market should create this diagonal movement. Otherwise, market will create a 335 correction. So this maybe market will act as a flat movement. Maybe what happened? See. This, as of now we are expecting a diagonal movement in gold because the fourth wave reached in the wave 1 territory, right? So after creating a structure break from here, we can expect a fall, and also maybe you found any pattern from this area. It is like a bearish flag, right? And there was a pole, and also this is another confirmation why we are expecting the diagonal movement. So that will be an expanded diagonal movement. Or what will happen if market directly going up after opening the Monday candle, then we can expect this 535 correction will become a flat correction. So how it will happen? So I am taking ABC again. This will be an ABC correction. Again market will create one more ABC. Then after reaching this supply zone, again market will continue to fall. There will be a fifth wave, 5 wave we can find. So that will be a flat correction. After reaching here, we can expect a 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 correction. So everything will be depend on the wave, what Monday movement, Monday morning and Asian and London market movement. So there is a zigzag or flat correction we can find expect in the coming week. Okay, do you have any doubts related to this kind analysis? Just in the coming days we are expecting a consolidation market, but this movement will be, we can find as per the Elliott wave correction. Okay, so this this next coming week we can expect a flat correction or a zigzag correction. അല്ലെ, കഴിഞ്ഞ അഡ്വാൻസിൽ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നവർക്ക് അറിയാം, അടുത്ത ആഴ്ചയിൽ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഒരു എക്സ്പാൻഡഡ് വേവ് ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ഒരു സിഗ്സാഗ് ഫാമിലിയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഫ്ലാറ്റ് കറക്ഷനോ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, അടുത്ത വീക്കിൽ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. കാരണം മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഇപ്പോഴും ഒരു സപ്ലൈ സോൺ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഹണ്ട് ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത് അടുത്തൊരു ഫോള് വി ക്യാൻ എക്സ്പെക്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് വി ആർ എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ് ഇൻ ഗോൾഡ്. ഓക്കെ, 2 ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ഒന്നുകിൽ മാർക്കറ്റ് എങ്ങനെ വരാം, 2 movements we can expect, or else market will directly come to here and again market will come here and again ABC movement. Okay, the second movement what I am expecting is market will come here again an irregular correction movement. These are the 2 type of correction we are expecting for the coming week. This is one and this is another one. These are the 2 type movement, and just wait for the market to open on Monday morning 2 to 3, then we can see this kind of movement according to the Elliott wave. Okay, Bipin Sakariya, well explained, thank you. Yes, so next we are coming to Bitcoin. Okay, it's better to go into my chart. So in Bitcoin, what the same movement I am expecting in Bitcoin also. See here, same thing we can see in Bitcoin also. Market took the wave 1 territory. So what I am expecting, market will fall, market will create a expanded diagonal. But for Bitcoin the market is very positive now. Maybe market will create a uptrend, market will continue the trend. Okay, and we can see a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 movement. After that market create a ending diagonal here After that market start fall from 1,10,559 level. Then the coming week we can find a pattern here. From here is parallel channel. Okay, these are the Saturday Sunday movement, so don't trust the this kind of movement. And also this is Friday low, and this is Saturday low, and this is also Sunday low. Okay, so this area will act as a huge support for the Bitcoin, and market also created a break the previous high, so this area will act as a good support zone. So what I am expecting is, if market continue to fall from this level, if market close the candle, then market definitely will take $1,06,000 again. Then after that market will take here, then once again we can expect a ABC this movement, then again we can expect a fall. Okay, after taking the previous low liquidity, then we can expect one more buy into, I think the target will be $1,15,000. This is the next target what I am expecting after this correction moment. Okay, so that moment you can find it in. And also if you take a fresh chart, I will give you some hint regarding Bitcoin. I am taking a monthly candle, right? So you can see this was the last April, May, June candles, right? And also you can see this is the opening and closing of common opening closing area. And weekly time frame, I'm once again taking the weekly time frame. Today this is the last this weekly candle, so this weekly candle will be closed almost this range. So once market closes this weekly candle, then after that correction what we are mentioned before, so this when market comes this area, we can expect one more buy, because this previous weekly candle, it's like a strong candle. Okay, so that 50% level act as a good support and resistance, and this is also a weekly low, so that will act as a also a liquidity area. So once market take that level, then market will pump. This is the moment what I am expecting for the coming week in Bitcoin. So this is the July, the starting of a fresh month. And also you can see in daily time frame also we can see this is a clean moment we are expecting. So market already completed the correction moment and also already took the liquidity from here. And if you check 4-hour time frame, we can see this is a contracting diagonal movement we can find, right? See here we can see 0, that was a big 3, and this was a contracting diagonal like this. I think some of the advanced students already we took a class in today night at 10 p.m. So for that, see, this was the proper contracting diagonal. So this already we mentioned, the first wave was the strongest wave, second wave again, third wave again less than of the first wave, and the fifth wave again less than of the third wave, right? And already market took a 21% correction. See 23 to 0.226 market took, and again market created a new high, right? So that was a triangle correction also. See, you can see here this was the triangle correction. Okay, after that market created a third wave. So here you can see this was the 0, 1, 2, 3, and from this low to this high, I think already market took the 0.36 and already market collected the equal low liquidity. So what I am expecting, this will be the fifth wave. So that will be into $1,20,000 movement, and market created a resistance here, so market needs to break this level, or once again market will comes to the 50% of the previous impulse, then market will took the orders, then I think what I am expecting, market will create a all-time high. This is the moment I am expecting in. And also you can see, people who know XABCD, maybe you can find XABCD from here, right? The previous XABCD was from here, right? I think this was the previous XABCD 786 level. Market create a whole time a previous market break the high, the target is already hit. Maybe some of the students maybe took this trade, right? Stop loss will be below of the X. This was the last trade completed in the last almost last week. After that again market creating double XABCD pattern, so again we can see market will, this XABCD we can expect. Okay, maybe if it comes to 1.13 from here we can expect a buy, but once market reaches here you need to find the, in smaller time frame you need to find the proper change of character and break of structure also. Okay, that is for your safety only. After reaching here market will hunt, after that market needs to create a change of character, then we can expect a movement into all-time high. So this is the movement where we are expecting in Bitcoin. Any doubts? Done. Yes. So this is the analysis for the Bitcoin. Okay, so next we are going to some currency pairs. So that will be, we can start from GBP JPY. Okay, so in GBP JPY I think we already given a trade in Pipscraft, and there was a ending diagonal. Yes, there was a leading diagonal, and now we are expecting a 5 moment here. So I think I am expecting this ABC correction in GBP JPY. So I am expecting a C wave, but that is a very risky trade, but it's okay. There was a proper break of structure we can see. So after now market is already took the B, maybe market will create one more low and took the order, and again we can expect the C wave. So this is the analysis for the GBP JPY. So in Euro GBP also same scenario also we can see. This was the last trade. We are going on using XABC and Elliott. After that the same scenario, market create the same scenario, but what I am expecting now, already market completed a expanding diagonal. So now market in A, into the traveling of B. So after reaching the B I am expecting into the C movement. So that is the, I will just on. So you can see this is the moment, this was a leading diagonal, again ABC correction, again market is coming, we can expect a fall. After these reaching here we can expect one more buy from that zone. Okay, that is a liquidity point where from where you can find a XABCD pattern also, very easy. Then you can go for a buy also, and also when market reaches the price 0.86553 above, then we can expect a sell also. Maybe the moment we can expect like this, that will be a 535 zigzag, not zigzag, yes, zigzag family. That will be a zigzag family. Okay, so next analysis I am coming to EURUSD. I think in EURUSD we already predicted the last week moment, but what happened here is we are expected a sell from this zone above 1.18 level, right? If you check our last weekly forecast, I think we expected this, the sell from this zone, but still what I am expecting, market will comes to this area, that will be 1.19 level. So once market reaches there we can expect a huge sell from this zone. So this price range is very important, and also that is a nearest to 1.20 level, so we can expect a huge sell from this level. So always you need to take confirmation change of character. See, market is going up using change of characters, right? So only if we get a breakout structure from here or change of character, again market will reach here, then we can expect a fall from this side. Okay, clear. Yes, good morning, good morning, Ramshad. Yes, ETH. Yes, we are coming to, first I am going to USD USD. I think USD USD we already in a trade in Pipscraft, I think. Discord. So this is the trading. It's a swing entry. This is the trade what we already in a sell in NSD USD. Our selling price was 0.61111, that area. Now I think if you check our Pipscraft community, we already mentioned this moment. Just me check a second. Let me log into Discord. Okay. Yeah, login. So once we comes to Pipscraft Gold, I think see, yes, this was the running trade. The entry was here. So this was the previous entry. Sell limit was at 0.61111 and the stop loss was 0.62570 and the TP now we are expecting the 0.588. And this was the sell limit. So I think the last week market just took the order and again trying to create a change of character and break of structure. Okay, so this is the entry we are expecting in NSD USD. Okay, so next yes, executed. Yes, NSD USD entry executed, correct. On Ethereum I think yeah, so Ethereum also, this is the moment I'm expecting Ethereum. Fifth is done, 3 yeah, 5. So better to remove the corrective format and market creating a pattern in 2-hour time frame. Already same scenario, it's a diagonal, its market is still confused. See, just market create a first wave and expanded wave, right? Market just after reaching the wave 1 territory, so what we can expect, that will be an converted into a expanding diagonal. After reaching the expanding diagonal, market will definitely create a ABC correction. Again we can expect a sell from this zone, so that will be a small 1 2 3 4 5 correction. That will be like a small 1 2 3 4 5 correction. After that we can expect one more high into $3,000 level, this level. Okay, clear. So this is the moment we are expecting, but it will take time because if we are in 2-hour time frame. So in the coming week what I am expecting, this was the previous market is creating higher lows only. Okay, so this may not be a diagonal format, maybe it will comes like a flat correction. Okay, 335 correction, that is also possible, but as of now after 12:30 we can expect some volume will be injected into the crypto market. So after that let's see what happen. After opening the Tokyo market we will get some confirmations. Okay, so this is the analysis for the Ethereum. I think we gone through gold, Bitcoin, and some of the currency pairs, and also Bitcoin, some NSUSD major currency pairs. Already we covered all the things. So this is a time to wind up this session. So if you have any doubts regarding to this, then just comment so I can reply. Okay. Oil. Okay, so let's comes to oil also. Yes, oil, right? So in oil, I think now market is correcting, creating a diagonal wave 0 1. So once market take this low, it's a very conjunction area, so we can expect a reversal from this zone. I think if you plot XABCD, yes, X. So if you took XABCD from this zone, this XA B below 1 B, and this is 1.13, also we can expect a reversal from 1.13 level. So once reaching here, we need to take the, because this is a big fall. So how the market will behave, that is very important. So in this range we can expect a correction. Don't hold. If you take a buy order from this zone, but don't take higher risk reward, when market reaches this position you should exit. So because market will we can see there is a bearish flag, but it will not work. Once market reaches here again, we can expect a this wave movement. What is that? That is not perfect movement. Once market reaches the $70 again, then again we can expect a fall. Okay, so the market will create a correction from here. Market needs to take support above the 70, then only we can expect into $80 level. Okay, but it's look like a leading diagonal actually, because this is the starting of a new trend, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 like moment. This is a long term movement we are expecting in oil. Could you explain about Cardano coin? Cardano coin is a blockchain related coin, so it have a lot of utility and use cases. It's better to hold the Cardano for 3-4 years. That would be good. But if you take Cardano chart, you can see that I am also a holder of Cardano. But if you take the monthly chart, you can see it is started to fall from $2.7, right? So now market reached almost a 0.5, right? But you should wait for the proper movement, and market is just creating structure break, but that is not a, once market reaches to 1.25 again market reversal. So when market reaches this position, we can definitely expect a correction again. But what I am expecting is, in this bull run market will definitely take $1. Okay, you can hold it. When market reaches to till $1, you can book your capital, then the profit you can hold for the long term. That's good for the Cardano. Toshi already we are explaining every day. Still market is in a correction period. Once the bull run or alt season starts, then we can continue for the bull run market. So thank you guys, thank you. It's time for wind up the session now, so we can see on the next live trade on Tuesday evening. Okay, thank you for joining with for this late night. Have a good night. Good night all. Thank you.